Across the globe, from bustling cities to remote villages, a simple act unites us all, the pursuit of a healthy smile. But achieving that sparkling smile requires a trusted companion brushing our teeth. At the heart of this ritual lies toothpaste, a product found in almost every bathroom cabinet worldwide. Toothpaste is not merely cosmetic, it safeguards our oral health. Every day our mouths are under constant assault from bacteria that produce acids, eroding tooth enamel and leading to cavities. Toothpaste, with its blend of ingredients, removes food debris, neutralizes harmful acids, and strengthens tooth enamel. It fights plaque, the sticky film that builds up on teeth and contributes to gum disease. But have you ever wondered about the science behind this everyday essential? Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of Colgate toothpaste production. Colgate toothpaste starts with the finest raw materials, each selected for its unique properties. These ingredients form a powerful formula that cleans, protects, and enhances our smiles. One key ingredient is fluoride, which strengthens tooth enamel, making it more resistant to decay. Think of fluoride as a shield, protecting your teeth from bacteria and sugars. Another essential component is abrasives, such as silica, which gently removes stains and polish teeth. Flavoring agents transform brushing into a sensory delight, leaving your mouth feeling clean. And humectants like glycerin prevent the paste from drying out, ensuring a smooth texture. These elements ensure that your Colgate toothpaste remains effective and enjoyable to use. The journey from raw ingredients to the familiar tube of Colgate toothpaste is a marvel of modern manufacturing. The process begins in massive mixing tanks where ingredients are combined and blended to perfection. These tanks, equipped with powerful agitators, ensure every ingredient is evenly distributed. The goal is a homogeneous paste, delivering consistent cleaning power and refreshing taste. As the ingredients mix, abrasives are ground to the right size, fluoride is dissolved, and flavors are incorporated. The entire process is monitored by skilled technicians to meet Colgate's quality standards. This careful orchestration of science and technology ensures a product of the highest quality. Colgate takes pride in its commitment to quality, evident in every step of the production process. From sourcing raw materials to final packaging, rigorous quality control measures ensure safety, efficacy, and consistency. Ingredients undergo thorough testing for purity and potency before production. Samples of each batch are tested for pH balance, viscosity, and fluoride content. Stability testing ensures toothpaste can withstand shipping and storage without compromising quality. Once the toothpaste passes all quality checks, it's time for packaging. The toothpaste is pumped into preformed tubes, sealed and labeled at lightning speed. These tubes are placed into cardboard boxes for extra protection during shipping. The boxes are stacked onto pallets and shipped to warehouses, ready for distribution. Colgate uses state-of-the-art equipment to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. The company also strives to reduce its environmental footprint by using recyclable materials and eco-friendly practices. For over 2 centuries, Colgate has been a trusted name in oral care, delivering healthy, beautiful smiles. From its beginnings as a small soap and candle business to a global oral care giant, Colgate's journey is marked by innovation and quality. Today, Colgate toothpaste is a staple in millions of homes worldwide. Colgate's success is the result of years of scientific research and a deep understanding of consumer needs. The company constantly innovates, introducing new formulations and flavors. Every tube of Colgate toothpaste represents a legacy of trust, innovation, and a commitment to brighter, healthier smiles.